Google Classroom right here on your mobile device. Right here might be accustomed to it on your laptop and desktop, but we're going to use right here on Android right here. So we're going to click on it. Now, when you click on it, definitely notice this is two class show. If you notice this, you have plus right here, right? So some of you might not familiar with it on the mobile device, right? So when you open it, if you don't have any, you will see like this. If you notice, you come right here and you click. This is what you will see. You notice, you show your class, calendar, notification. These are the different class. And notice the offline, archive the class and all that. But if you notice right down here, show a little plus. When you click on the plus, you show that you can actually create a class. It's right here that you can actually join a class from right here. Right, so I'm going to click right here on this one. Now when you click on this particular class here on the mobile device, if you notice right up here, sure, you can click right here. You can actually write an assignment right here. No, not an assignment. You can add an announcement right here. You can actually click right here and post it. Right, but you come right here, you notice you can actually schedule it. Right, you can see the job and all that. You can do all that. Or you can come right here and click. Right, so this is it to the stream page. But if you notice right here, it's a stream classroom and people. Right, so if you notice this is self, I want to delete this notification right here. You can come right here to the point. You notice right here. You say move up to the top right here. So on delete. You want to click on delete. You notice delete right here. Shall do right? So definitely you want to write something to the class. You just click right up here. And you can just say welcome. Come right there. And say welcome. Welcome. And you can actually post it. So when I click it, all right, notice right here, it's a welcome. Right, so we're going to go to classroom now. Right, so this is a mobile section. But if you notice, these are different classes right here. But if you notice here, if you look at that up at top, you come right here and you click that. You notice it's a refresh. I send feedback to Google. Right, you notice it's all these class right here. So if you want to do something and make adjustment to them, just click a little pointer right here. So if you click a little pointer right here, show that I can rename the topic, show that I can actually delete a topic. But if you notice right here, match, it shows that it has something post in it. So if I come right here and actually click on that, you notice I can edit the post and I can actually delete the post just like that. Right? Definitely. So what if I want to create assignment, ask question, where do I go? You notice this plus right here? Yes, slightly different from that of Alexa. So we're going to click on it. Now when I click on it, this is what is assignment. You see question, you see material, we use and topic. So if I click on assignment, this is what will come up. We see the description right here. You notice attachment, point and all that. But the question is it, how do you going to put attachment to this on your mobile phone? Alright, when you come right here, right, you see file save in a Google Drive or if you have a link or anything upload from your phone, you can actually use it. Now when I select it right here, notice you come right here, I can actually go right here, I'm going to click on that. Notice so it's actually loading. Alright, and notice this is assignment. You notice the student can profile, definitely they cannot make no adjustment with it. So if you want to make that adjustment, you come right here, click on that and you click. Notice the student can view file, student can edit. I can get them a copy, I can remove the file. Right here. Right here, so that you can actually undo. Right? So come right here. There you go. Alright, you go back again, you're gonna click. So you're gonna ask question this time. You're gonna click on the question section. Notice the text over to ask section side. Notice the ask up here. But if you click right here, what will happen when you click right here? You notice you can actually schedule it, you can see what the job, you can delete it, or you can send a feedback. Right? You show right here, so short answer. Right? And if I click on this right here, show that I can add a multiple choice. Just the same within the question, right? And right here, definitely the due date, you can put a due date, just the same right there. And all of that, you can actually click right there. You notice these are some different topics that you can actually put. And when you finish, you press down. Right? So you can click this and go back. So you're going to come right back here. Material. Now when you click on material, you can actually put it up right here. Title. You can put a description, you can add attachment. just the same. You can actually post right here. You can actually come right here and schedule it. Or you can actually save it just the same. Alright, so that's one way you can actually do it just the same. Alright, so very important. Alright, so then again we can press this and go back. Just the same. Now when you come back again and press, you can go to reuse or you can click on topic. If you click right there, you can actually create a topic right here. You can just give this name, just a small name. So you can say art class. And then you can say class. Just like that. And you can press your create. Just to see it. You notice right up here, but if you notice it, you go that's right here. You click. Show that you can actually topic or rename it. Alright. So you're going to click. And that's it, and that's how we actually get it. Alright, so now we actually look at that. Now what we want to look at now is people. Now when you come right here, say click on people. Notice right here, it's a teacher, it's a student. You can also add a teacher. Yes, similar if you can do it on desktop, you can do it on mobile. So come right up here, right click. If you notice right up here, email, you just put the teacher's email address right there. Right, and then you click. You notice right here, you can share, invite, you can copy the link. Up here, you can click invite. So notice that you put that side right, so you can send feedback. Just the same. So that's exactly what go. You can come right here and close it. So what if you want to invite a student? You can do the same thing by click on it right here. Do the same thing. Yes. You can actually do the same thing. You can also copy the link, does the same. And all that. But notice these students are already in the class. I want to get rid of them. You can come right here and press remove. I can come right here and do the same thing for this one. Alright. So very important. Right here. So hope you have learned something from this particular video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.